helicopters go. It's a fact. Niagara Helicopters Limited. There's 1,000 of these companies. We did some research and found out that this one is the cheapest. It costs like $100 Canadian, like 75 US each. And Olena's super nervous. It's her birthday. Been like her dream. So it's a 12-minute ride, and we'll see you when we're going up. We got here at 8:30 when they opened at 9, and we're one of the first few here. But very soon after we got here, lots and lots of other people showed up. So if you want to be on one of the first flights, you got to get here early. And if you come later in the day, they said the average wait time is like 20 minutes. But we're going to be on the first flight.